welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add music to videos in InVideo AI and use background audio to make your content more engaging and professional. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Then open the video project where you want to add background music. Before choosing a music track, think about the mood and style of your video. The right background music should support your content without distracting viewers from the narration. Next, open the audio or music options in the editor and browse through the available tracks. Look for music that matches the topic and overall tone of your video. For tutorials and educational videos, choose simple and subtle background music. For marketing or social media videos, you can use something more energetic if it fits the content. Once you find a suitable track, add it to your video and preview the result. Now pay close attention to the music volume. The background track should remain quieter than the voiceover, so viewers can clearly understand the narration. If the music is too loud, lower the volume and preview the scene again. Keep adjusting until the voice and music sound balanced. Next, check how the music works across different scenes. Make sure it doesn't suddenly become distracting or overpower important parts of the narration. You can also consider the beginning and ending of the music. A natural start and finish can make the video feel more polished. If your video has multiple sections, listen to the entire project and make sure the music fits the overall pacing and mood. For promotional content, background music can help create energy and emotion. For professional or training videos, keeping the music subtle can help viewers focus on the information. You should also make sure you have the appropriate rights to use any music you plan to publish, especially for commercial or public content.